welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. What's going on, y'all? All right, it's a stretch. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's good. All right. Welcome back to untilit.works, a thing I made mostly for myself to be able to work on projects that I've been meaning to work on. And untilit.works consists of ciphers. And a cipher is a 3-hour block of time. Within each cipher, there are sessions. There's a work session and a break session. Work sessions are like 45 minutes, heads down, working on, trying to make some progress. And then break sessions are these, where I'll pop up around 15 minutes after the hour to remind you to take a break, get up, walk around, drink some water, or sit here and watch me talk about something I found interesting on the internet. Either way, let your mind relax and not think about a thing that you're just working on. So, like I mentioned, I'll pop up in here on the screen. But if you ever come to the site and we're in the middle of a break session, the video may look like it's frozen. That's why where it says the little notice below is saying you may need to click play to start the stream. Next to that is open close caption button. I'm using the speech recognition API that's built into Chrome browsers to turn my speech into text. And so if you click that, a space will open up. And hopefully the words I am saying will be transcribed accurately and placed into that space. All right, cool. Below that, there's a countdown timer, counting when the next break session happens. And then if you like to join the chat room, well, there's two buttons like highlight clip is broken, don't worry about it. But if you like to join the chat and ask questions, you can click join. Well, you have to sign in or whatever, but you can click join to sign to be able to chat and everything. All right, cool. That is everything. All right, let's talk about the work sessions. Share this, start screen share, this one. So now the work session will look similar to this. In the upper right-hand corner, if you click subscribe, it will list out all the upcoming ciphers you can subscribe to get notified when we go live. Over on the left-hand side, we have an audio player, so if you can listen to some music while you're working on what you're working on. Here towards the center is the to-do section. So where it says add a task, you type in your task and hit enter or the plus button, will add it to the list. You'll be able to click the text to edit the task, click the X button to delete it, or if you want to mark it complete, click the checkbox. That'll send it to the done section. If you click the header done, it'll show you all the things you got completed. Click the Twitter icon. It will open up Twitter and it'll pre-populate a tweet with all the things you got completed with like check marks next to them. For me, it's a good visual way of showing, oh, I got some stuff done, feeling good going into the week. All right, over in the right-hand column, we have a countdown timer there at the top. It's counting down until the next break session happens, again, like 15 minutes after the hour. View tutorials. So if you don't have a specific thing that you want to work on, but you still kind of want to feel productive, and you heard that web development sounds pretty cool, and I have links to Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. So that if you don't know where to start, from what I've seen, what people have told me, I think those are pretty good places if you're just trying to figure out what you want to do as far as web development. And people that have gone through the programs, and from what I see from the curriculum, I think if you complete them, you'll have a good understanding of what it takes to do web development. And from there, you can make an educated decision on whether or not you want to spend more time and or money in pursuing it. So there's that. I also have 3 tutorials that go to the Vonage developer platform. And I'm a JavaScript developer advocate at Vonage. And part of my responsibilities are look over tutorials. So I have 3 tutorials there. One is you follow the tutorial. You end up with an input box and a button in your application. You put in your home phone number, real phone number, hit the call button, and your real world phone will ring. Then I have one that's the opposite, where you get a virtual number, and you connect that to the application that you create following the tutorial. And from your real world phone, you can call that virtual number, and your real world, your web app, you'll be able to answer the call. And I have one where it's like two users log in to an application, and one can call the other through the browser and have a conversation. So those are there. Hako, we'll come back to that. Show and tell sign up. If you want to come up here and talk about something you found interesting on the internet, feel free to do so. Show and tell sign up will walk you through that process. All right, now Hako. Hako stands for Help a Coder slash Creator Out. It's a thing I made that if you ever get stuck working on the project that you're working on, you'll be able to create a Hako, which is like a room that you can then invite people into, and then collectively, as a group, same word, you'll be able to come up with the feedback or the solution that you're looking for. Now, if you click View Hako, it'll show you all the different Hakos that have been created. You can click the creator's name to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on what they logged in with, to check out the profile to see whether or not you'd like to request to join the room. I also added a filter by keyword list. So if there's something specific that you may be looking for, maybe it's in there and you can filter by that. All right, now when you click Create a Hako, it'll present you with this form. You put in the title and 3 keywords. You hit create, you click create, and it'll generate a unique URL that you can then copy or click to share to Twitter. Now, when you join your Hako, it looks like this. We got the title at the top. Over on the right-hand side, you can leave. You can open the menu for some more options. We got a text chat here on the right. On the left, we have a countdown timer counting when the next work session will start. You can copy the URL and click to share to Twitter. Now, when someone clicks your link, they just don't automatically join your room. They're actually requesting to join your room. And so they'll show up under pending. You'll be able to click their username to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on what they logged in with, to check out their profile and see whether or not you like to approve or deny them from coming into your room. Now, if you do approve them and they turn out to be a terrible person, you can always ban them and eject them out the room. Now, you as the owner of the Hako, only you can share your screen, because again, the point of the Hako is for you to get the help or feedback on a thing that you're working on. So I think by being able to share your screen and showing others what it is that you're seeing, you'll be able to provide the context for them to be able to get you the help or the feedback that you're looking for. All right. Now, like I mentioned, on the right-hand side, we have a text chat. You put in, that's the way you communicate through the text chat. Through the Hako primarily. But you put your message here towards the bottom, hit send, it'll add to the list of messages. Now, I also add the ability to enable audio chat. So anybody who has their audio chat enabled will be able to speak to and hear each other. But don't worry for the folks who don't have audio chat enabled. They'll still be able to follow along because what people are saying will be turned into text and put into the text chat. Now, I also have the opposite available where you enable text to speech. So if you're not looking at the text chat and you still kind of want to follow along, you can always enable text to speech, and any messages put into the text chat will be read out aloud by your browser. Then again, you can check out all the different Hakos that have been created. Cool. I think that is it. Yes. Nice. Woo, I'm getting tired. A long day. I haven't really done much of anything, but it's been pretty sunny, and so my solar panels are like my solar generator battery, whatever. That's like at 100, so that's good. I'm charging some stuff now that it's like at 100. Trying to charge as much as I can off of the sun. So I got a few things I got to do with my checklist. You know what I mean, my to-do list. But till next time, I'll see you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I'm gonna send you off with some traveling music. This right here is an artist that goes by the name of, hold on, give me a second. Here we go. Goes by the name of Anthony Cruz, aka A Butta. The track is called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. See you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I want to say thank you for being there when a brother had nowhere to turn to. You were there, and I feel like and everybody says we spread a love like I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I want to say thank you for being there when a brother return to. You were there and I